Hey everyone, ready to move your online store from Wix to Shopify? Here's a quick guide to get you up and running. First of all, log into your Wix account and export your store data. Go to your Wix dashboard, navigate to your products and click export. This will download your product list as a CSV file. Head over to shopify.com and log in or create a new account. Once you are in, set up your store settings like payments, shipping, and taxes. In Shopify, go to the products section and click on import. Upload the CSV file you exported from Wix and review the details before confirming the import. If you have customer data, repeat the same process. Export your customers from Wix, then upload them into Shopify. And that's it. Your Wix store is now live on Shopify. All you need to do is tweak your design and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.